Life is never free of contradictions, said by Dr. Manmohan Singh. So, good evening everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain Spoken English trainer and tutor. So, today we are going to discuss our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay. So, first we are paying tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay, and just we all remember Dr. Manmohan Singh works. Okay, actually we know that our economist means greatest economist of the India or the world, our Dr. Manmohan Singh ji, our former Prime Minister, means 2 times Prime Minister. Okay, actually he changed so many things for our India or for all over the world. He made some new policies in his time. Okay, so just we remember some policies like in 2005 they launched Manrega scheme. In 2009 they launched right to education, and so many schemes like that. Actually means he was the economic advisor of the India. He worked as the economic advisor of the India, and he was means most educated Prime Minister of the India. Okay, so we all Indians will remember Dr. Manmohan Singh's. Okay, in 1991 means that was the Great Depression of all over the world. So that time Dr. Manmohan Singh policies was means liberalization. So that was very useful for our country or for all over the world. Okay, means there has lots of things or lots of works provided or done by the Dr. Manmohan Singh, so that we all we remember. So first we are going to discuss a very beautiful quote of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Just like we know that life is never free of contradictions. So Dr. Manmohan Singh said life is never free of contradictions. So why he said life is never free of contradictions? You know what is the meaning of contradictions? Means Virodhabas. Just like riddles, puzzles, means our life is not free of contradictions, means challenges. Means every day we have a new challenge, or every people, every person, every human, means every human beings face new challenges every day. Means all over the world, means just like country India, any other countries faces some economical issues, social issues, diversities related issues, means lots of issues. But in India means there has lots of policies, and we are very strong constitution. So that's why we handle some situations. Okay, so now we are going to discuss this quote one by one. I will invite every student, what's your point of views on contradictions? Means in your personal life there is lots of contradictions. If you are in a learning phase, if you are a student, so you have to face contradictions in your same class. Just like there are lots of riddles in your lots of challenges in your personal life is in your personal lives. Okay, in your house, in your schools, in your classes, means every day you have to face challenges. Means once if you want to be successful in your life, so you have to face challenges, or if you want to more successful, so you have to face more challenges. Actually life is never free of contradictions. So this was very beautiful quote said by written by Dr. Manmohan Singh, and lots of the quote related to economy means they said, actually they mean that means India citizen has very powerful, means they can do means what others or anyone's cannot do. Okay, actually they have very great mind, and we will remember all of to Dr. Manmohan Singh. One by one I will invite. So first I am inviting Harshit Agrawal, so to describe this quote, life is never free of contradictions. What's your point of views, Harshit? What do you think about that? So give an example, life is never free of contradictions.
So first I want to pay tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh, and now I will start my words. So in my opinion, it is right that life is never free of contradictions. As our sir said that contradiction means challenges. It is right that our life is with the full of challenges, and in our life there is also so many challenges. Like in a student's life there are so many challenges in studies also. Like if one question is difficult, so student have to face so many problems, like it's a challenge for them. And if we solve these challenges, so we can get first position in the class. And it is also right that every person's life is full of challenges. Like if we want to success in life, so first we have to make our challenges like an opportunity. We should not give up, we should always solve all the challenges and become successful. Thank you.
So actually, if you will face any challenges in your life or contradictions, actually contradictions means it is nearby you. Just like if you will face or if you will do any kind of work, if you will do if you will do any kind of exam, if you will do any kind of work, means if you want to be successful, so means lots of the persons will push you or pull you, means in a good manner or bad manner. Okay, so just you have to choose your correct way, or you have means sometimes you have to listen, but sometimes you have to listen by your heart, means what your hearts are sounding, so you have to listen your heart and you have to do, or you have to step ahead. Okay, so next I am inviting Tejal. What's your point of view? Life is never free of contradictions.
Okay, so according to me, this quote really means tell about our life. Like the problems and challenges are always on every turn of our life. Like if you got first position in your class, and then you get transferred in another class, and you saw that one more student came and he is also so good. So there are many challenges in student life. Like nowadays winter holidays are going to come, so we are also getting so many holiday homework. So we should keep a goal, and we having a challenge that we have to complete our holiday homework, and we should not just give away that just let it be, we should not do that holiday homework and all. And there are many challenges in societies. Like if a person done something wrong which is not that much wrong, it can be improved, but still society says that why you done that and these all things. So like that people face challenges.
Means in every situation of your life you have to face contradictions and challenges. Means you have already listened that Hindi quote, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Next I am inviting Divyansh. So Divyansh, please come on the stage. What's your point of views on contradictions? Just you have to give an example. Actually Divyansh has very good examples. So just Divyansh will share our point of views. Okay.
So firstly, good evening. And sir said that contradiction means challenges. So in our life, we all know our life is full of challenges, and in our life we also see day by day we face so many example. Like if we want to succeed and we want to become a good person, so we have to face so many different types of challenges. If we pass that challenges, so we can become a successful person, so and good person. So in our life also full of challenges. And
एक और हिंदी कोट मुझे याद आ रहा है कि जीवन एक गुत्थी है जिसे हम केवल अपनी समझ से ही सुलझा सकते हैं. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट आई एम इनवाइटिंग सम्यक जैन. सम्यक हैज आल्सो वेरी ग्रेट एग्जांपल्स. सम्यक इज वेरी ऑनेस्ट बॉय ऑफ द क्लास. Yes.
So first of all, I want to tell you, life is never free of contradiction, because our life is full of challenges, and we have to do too much struggle, and we will never get free from this. Like we have to do some good work, and we have to achieve that. So that time we have to face lots of problems, and many people try to stop us. So that time we should not we should never give up, and do that work with confidently. So that's all.
Okay. So now I am inviting Harshvardhan. So he will inspire you by his experience, and he will give the experiences also. Yes, come. Actually Harsh has great examples of related to contradictions, and actually hers has also faced so many experiences, challenges in his life. Okay.
So according to me, there are so many people who don't want to be get success because they want to success, but they don't get success. So they think we will teach that person, and we try that person don't get success, but we have to don't focus on that person, and we have to do focus on our study, on our goal, and we have to listen of our heart and our mind, because there are so many power in our thinking, and we all know that there are so many people who feel jealous from us. So we have to see him that we are not lazy person. We are able to get success, and not any type of power can stop us.
Very good. So sometimes we have to prove ourselves. Okay, means if someone is telling you, just you have to prove, or just you have to means just you have not to said any word. Just you have to prove yourself. Next, I am inviting a person or a student. Yes, Raj. So please come on the stage. Yes, Raj has very good communication, and he has also very good points and examples also. So yes, Raj will tell us about.
So, good evening, all of you, respected sir. I am Yasha Yadav. So, I have. So first, I let you know what is the means of life is never full. Sorry, life is full of contamination. Life is never free of contamination, contradictions, or life is full of contradictions. It means we have to face contradictions always. The means of contradiction is the people against you and the challenges that we have to do. We have to face most of the contradictions in our student life and other things, because most of the people are against us in many of the things and many of our thoughts, but if we think that we are always wrong and the people think that we are wrong, so they are right, but it is not right. We are not always wrong. We can also think of our mind and our heart, and most of the time it is also right, sir. And
So whenever you listen, means right to information policy. So that's also launched by Dr. Manmohan Singh. Right to information means now if you want to get any information regarding any department of the government, so just you have to put an application, or you have to put an appeal. So you can means that department will provide you the information. So means it's your right to information. Okay. Next, I'm inviting Kush.
I have an example related to this quote, that life is never free of contradiction. First I will tell you that what is the meaning of this quote. This quote means our life is never free of challenges. Like if we learn new activities, so we have to face challenges, riddles, and etc. So and now.
Just actually in every phase, or in every means age of your life, you have to face challenges. Means just you have to think that contradictions is only nearby you. Just you have to face it, and just you have to prove yourself. Next, I am inviting Shrey.
So the means of this quote is that means when we are just trying to learn something new, so we face some challenges or puzzles or some difficulties. Means some persons or someone just pull us to don't do this and just try to just and confuse us. But we should not just decrease our confidence level and never try to give up. Means always try to succeed and never lose our confidence. And
Next, Shivansh.
I have one example of aunt. So in aunt lives, they are very struggle, and And in a one aunt carry a one piece of cake, and they climb on a wall, and they try many time, and they fall many time, hundred and thousand, and after many times they struggle very, they struggle, and other aunt told him, don't try again and again, don't try again and again, but they can't leave, they can't leave, and they try again and again, and they achieve a goal.
मीन्स लड़ना नहीं है, डरना नहीं है, आगे बढ़ना है तो रुकना नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट आई एम इनवाइटिंग मानवी.
Okay, so in my opinion, it's very good to motivation. Like our life is full of challenges. We have to face them, and there are so many people who give up by their challenges. Like it's impossible. We are not able to do that. But if we are focused, so the word impossible own says that I am possible, and everything is possible if we are trying and keep start to do on keep work on that thing. And if we are want to do something big, so challenges we have to face so many challenges, so we don't have to give up by them challenges.
Actually, that time Manmohan Singh was the not the prime minister. Actually, that was I think means economic advisor or our finance related to our finance ministry. So that time actually I think the chairperson of the RBI and all. Actually, I don't remember. In 1991, actually, he was an economic advisor. So, actually, he was an very great policy. Means he relates to the world. He told to the world. Means he has very great policy for all over the country. Means that time was a great depression of our Indian economy, of all over the world economy. But India has not more face economies. That time actually our Indian rupees was very low, and so many problems. Crude oil means that time crude oil prices was high, I think, and that time there were no more store of India. But actually the liberalization policy of Dr. Manmohan Singh was the great decision of our country. Okay, Harshit.
Yes, sir, you are right, and there is also a great policy of a good meal that students will provide good meal in government schools, and also as you said that he was a great economist of our India, and also with the experience of his life, he do many things, and he achieved his objective to make the India wealthy.
Very good. Next, Purvi.
There are many people like if someone want to become a successful person, so in their life there are many challenges.
Garu.
So the quote are, the life is never free of contribution. Contradiction. It means that there are so many pupils we don't get a success, and they think that I don't get a success in life, so I will that person success in life, and they are able.
Means just you have to ask the question to yourself and answers to yourself. Okay, next. Last, I'm inviting Ishika. Ishika will conclude this video.
Yes, the life is never free of contradictions because every day new challenges come like a problem. And just taking an example of human being, human life, many challenges like doing word, solving many problems, etc.
And again, we are paying a very tribute to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay, means we will all remember Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay, for the India and for all over the world. Okay, so goodbye.